आप लोग कौन से ट्राइब से हो?
कुकी से
You just cookie community.
Yes, cookie
I just want to know the traditional entire, the name of the traditional entire.
Yes, this what we call it Ponpur. Then this one Punzel.
Unjel.
Ah, so the entire dress it signifies our community of Kuki.
And what is called this type of wear?
Sol,
Shawl.
sol we call.
Shawl is English word or cookie word?
Actually, we use both
Ah,
sol and achol.
achol.
Ah,
Okay, you are from
Tuptoli,
Oh.
Kuki Tripura.
my place.
Yes.
By
Oh,
the way.
then same.
Same.